Welcome back. So this is the next part of this video, and I'm so excited about everything that I found. And I have 11 of everything, and aren't they beautiful? So I have my rocks that you saw earlier, and then I got some dried camellia flowers from the ground. These pretty red leaves and green leaves, and look at that one. Isn't that pretty? I love that one. And then these yellow leaves, and then I had some, oh, those are the leaves you saw me pick up with the rocks. And then these flower petals that were on the ground, there's 11 of those. And then you saw me pick these pieces of bark. Okay, so now we have 11 of everything, and let's count how many groups actually. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, 12. Okay. So I want 10 in each group, actually, instead of 11. So I'm going to take one from each and move it to the middle. So we have that one and that and that. I'm leaving 10 behind, and I have one of these, one of each item, moving to the center. This is exactly what I will want you to do as well. And I think you really should have 12. So if you only have 10 different items, then go find 2 more. 11 each of 2 more. Okay, this little guy, and a flower, and a bark. So now we have an outer ring and an inner ring. The outer ring has 10 of everything, and the inner ring has 1. And so we're going to go about counting these and figuring out how many of each. So we did this with numbers on paper, but now I want to start with just the rocks and see how many rocks that we have. So we can count by tens because we know how to do that. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and we've remembered that our 11, we have 1 of each, so 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Okay, so we have 55 rocks, and we have 5 groups of 10 for 50, but we could also say we have 5 groups of 11 equals 55. All right, so how about leaves? So we have 4 groups of leaves over here. This is this little tiny one that's hard to see, and then we'll not count the flower petal. So we have 4 groups of 10. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, plus 1, so 41, 42, 43, 44. And there we have all of those. And we can count by 11s. We could do 11. Well, let's do 20. So 2. 10, 20, 21, 22. So 22. 11 plus 11 is 22. What about 3 groups of 11? 10, 20, 30, 1, 32, 33. So 3 groups of 11 is 33. 4 groups, 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 44. 4 groups of 11 is 44. Wonderful. So then we have petals. We have these 2. We have, well, actually full flowers. Flower and flower. So we have 10, 20, 1, 22. 2 groups of 11 is 22. And then the bark is all by itself. Hello, bark. You are 10. 1 group of 11 is 11. Yep. Okay, so what about everything, right? So we have, oh, Puppy's with us. Hi, Puppy. Hi, Michaela. You're with us. You want to do some math? Okay. Okay. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. We could keep going, but we're done. 120. And then we can count the ones. 121, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 132. So 12 groups of 11 equals 132. So we're going to make a main lesson page with drawings that show this, and we're going to have fun with it. And I want you to have fun getting your objects and making something as beautiful as this. And what would happen if you had 12 of every item? Maybe I'll just plant that seed. And then we could make some kind of beautiful design with all of these. Wouldn't that be fun? All right. Happy, beautiful nature hunting.